Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you on how to use MS Word. To begin with, it's very simple guys. The only thing that you need to know, have your Word installed on your computer, then search for the Word on your computer. Then open. When you open, this is how it will look like. Your Word will look like this, the screen. This is your word screen. You can see there's a cursor blinking there. You can see on your word, we have at your left hand first file, we have home, insert, design, layout, references, mailings, review, view, help, grammar, and more. I will show you function for all these. Let's start with the file. On file, when you click on file, you'll see info. Info, this is information. It will show you protect document, inspect document, manage document. On new, this is when you want to create a new blank document or just any document, or you take one of the ready templates here that we have on Word. We have ready templates as well here. You can go to ready templates or you can choose a new blank page. Opening the existing document that are already there. You can see that here. You can open one that you feel like you want to open. Save. Save is used to save the existing document. Save changes. Save as. This is when you want to save your document for the first time. Print. Print used to for printing, and share when you want to share your document with the others, and export when you want to save your document as a PDF. I won't take you much there because you will learn more on advanced. This is basically and basic tutorials for beginners. We have home. On home, you can see this menu is opening. When you are on home, this is what is there on home, all this functionality that will help you. You will use all this when you type your document. You will use all this functionality that are here when you are typing your documents. We have insert. Insert will help you to insert document. Either you insert the cover page, blank page, insert the page break, insert the tables, insert the pictures, insert the chart, insert the link, bookmark, food, footer, header, page numbers, text box, word arts, export the quick parts, equations, symbols, all that pertain the functionality that you can use to do for your document. The formatting all here. Insert anything that you want to insert on your document. You can also insert icons. You can insert online. You can insert the shapes. It has all. On design, this all the designs. You can insert the themes. Those are the design. You can see any design that you feel like you can just put the design here for you. You choose one you feel like it's good for you. We have a layout. On layout, we have margin, we have retention, we have the size of the document, we have columns, we have breaks, we have numbers, line numbers, and so on. And references, we have also a lot there, mail merge and review view. So for a case, let's just go jump into our word and start the first practically. The first, let's say we want to write something. Let's say types of computers. Type of computers, we have supercomputers, we have analog computers, we have you can remove the error, right click and remove the error. We have mini computers, we have micro computers. So this is my first document. It was blank. You can even see a document 1. This is my documents. For me, I want first to save this document. Remember always to save your document. To save this document, go to File, click on Save As. That was what I explained before. Then I browse the location that I need my document to appear. Now it asks me the name. I'll write the name of my document. Yes. Document. Then I know this is the extension Word because we are using Word. Then I want to save my document on document, Word documents. Where is it? I select and save. That is it. Now let's go to like home. On home, I can bold my documents. Click bold. You can do italize your document. Kindly please check the changes. You can underline your documents. You can strike through your document. Maybe when you want to cancel anything, you use that. You can also remove the strike and you can remove the underline by just highlighting and click there. Then I can highlight also and remove the bold. That is it. Yes. I can now you add the maybe you want to add specific font. You can pick the fonts that you need that are here. So many. So many. You just select the one you feel like. We have Arial, we have Arial black, we have Arial narrow, we have Arial rounded. We have a lot. The one you feel like. It just goes with the what you like most. Which one do you like most? Let's say I go for Arial black. This is it. Or I choose another one. Which one? Let's say I go for this. Algerian. That is it. Now let's say I want also make sure always to highlight when you are formatting your document. I want to put the font size. I can put the size that you feel like. This one, this one. As I go for this. Again, you can also use this A to increase the font size without selecting from there. You can use this to decrease the font size. That's it. This A, it's a bit small and always still on capital letters. It's used to decrease the font size and make your text a bit smaller. This one it increase the font size. Make your text a bit bigger. Now, here, this, if I click on A, you can see where there is A and A small. When I click on this, drop-down list appears, and I can do the sentences case. We have lowercase. Lowercase means if you want all your letters to be on a small letters, it's called lowercase. If you want to be on capital, let's do it practically. You see? It's lowercase. Let's go. Do capital letters. It's capitals. There is. You can capitalize the first number. You see? You can capitalize only the first numbers, or uppercase, all this. You can do a lot on home, just basically formatting your documents. Again, we have we have these text effects. Click on there. The way you want your text to appear, just look. When you click this, it reflects. You can see this if you want your text to look this way, or you can, just the way you like, guys. You want your text to have a shadow, glass, just anything that you feel like you're good at. You're good to go. Maybe you choose that one. Or no, maybe you want to highlight the background of the text. Only text. You can remove a highlighted text. Maybe you want to change the color of your documents. Maybe you want to use red. You just click on either one color. Maybe you want to clear all the formatting. You click on that A. That will enable you to remove all the formatting from the selecting, leaving all the normal unformatted. You can do. So now let's go to align. This document is on, right now is align left. Now let's say we want our document to align center. Click here. You can align your document right. You just click on that. Or you can do justify. Justify. Most of the time we use left. You can space your document. Click on that. You will see all different spacing. You can click on the spacing that you wish to use. Make sure always you highlight your document. To highlight the document, right click or double click. You can double click. You can hold your mouse or your keyboard, then drag down like this. Or you can hold Control A is to highlight your document at once. You go on shading, you can shade your documents. You can put any color that you feel like. Themes color, this one shading. I select anyone that I wish. This, you want to shading your document. We also have a border. Maybe you want to put border on your documents. You can see when I pointed at this, there's changes. When I pointed here, you can see there's bottom border, top border, left border. It will appear on left. Just kindly see the line. There are small lines showing there. Right, there is small line showing there. No border, nothing is showing. Yes, all borders. You can see it show the borders if you want. Outside border, it will also show you the border outside. Inside border, horizontally border, and so on so forth. Now, let's go to our other submenu about bulleting. On bullet, I want to put this document as bullet. Just click on bullet. I click on bullet. Then I select, you can say select any bullet that either this one, the one you feel like, guys. Just beautiful. Select the one you feel like you want to use. Or you can use bullet numbering. Roman numbers, or you can use this, any that you feel like you want to use. There is no limit at all. Anything that you want to use, you are much allowed to do anything that you feel like. The way you want the document to appear. That's all about home, and that's about formatting. We still have this one. Normal, you can select your document to look normal. Let's say I want my document to look normal. I highlight, I click normal. It will remove all the changes that I did before. You want to put on like header 1, header 2, titles. You just select your document, you put as the one. You put there's no space. If you want to remove the space on your document, just you click on the, it's just playing around with all this functionality. You want this document to look normal, just come normal. See? To remove all the formatting that we did before. Can go back and do it again if we want. Now let's go to insert. Up to this point, I know now you learned something. You now understand how to use all this. At least you have an idea, you want to italize your document, you want to underline, you want to strike through. I know I did not use this and this. These two are usually used for mathematicals, mostly. Let's say maybe I want to something base. I want x, maybe let's say x base 2. That will appear. Just click on 2, highlight 2, then see that is it. This called subscripts, and these other called superscript. Superscript, highlight this 2 and click on superscript. Maybe let's say 6 raised to power 10. Yes, highlight then. That's it. Or 6 base 10. Highlight, click on subscript. That is it. Let's go to insert now. If you want to insert something, let's say I want to insert the table. Click on table. Select where you want your table to appear. Make sure the cursor appear there. I want my table to appear after 6 base 10 down there. And click there. You will see. I want my table to have how many columns? 2 columns. 2 by 2 or more. Then click. This is how you insert the table. You can now write what you want here. Names. Let's see. Numbers, name, age, total. Just example, guys. You can now write all this down here. You can as well merge this. Just click on highlight on there, then right click and say merge. To look like a one. Maybe you want to merge this one from here to here. You can do it, guys. You just right click. Make sure you just highlight and merge. Want to merge this one, highlight, then right click to merge. That's it. You can insert that a text by clicking on this plus. You can insert them in the columns, row columns. You can delete also. And delete the cell as well. You can select if you want the way you want your table to look like. Here, you can add the border. Maybe you want to be sad black. There's a big size appearing like 6 feet. Anyway, the way you want. Let's go back to insert. You can insert the picture. Maybe a ready picture that is already on your document. Or save the document, the picture that's already saved on your computer. You just click here, then you browse. Let's say I want to save maybe picture that is ready. At the moment I don't have any ready picture in my documents. Let's try to see if I can find one. I don't know. I don't have one here, but you can also go to online picture. Search the picture that you like to appear there. Balloon. Let's say maybe you're working on someone's birthday. You're designing something like a birthday. Actually, balloons, you can get them there and inside on your documents. And inside balloons there. Downloading. Wait. That is it. You can even insert the middle of your table. Or you can choose where to insert them. You can say, let's insert down there. You want it to appear on a different page. You want this to appear here. Just go back to insert, make sure. Put the cursor where you want your picture, the one you insert to appear. Let's go back. Select on, maybe you want the birthday cake. Select the cake. Wait for a while. Insert. You cannot write maybe the name of the person here. You can write the name. Happy birthday, Rose. That is it. You can just also add the font size. You can add the color. Yeah. You can as well add the balloon here. Let's say we want to also to have balloons. You just go to insert, select. We want a colorful birthday for this child. Yes. See. Now, still on insert, you can use shapes when you want maybe to draw something. There's so many on insert. You can use any shape that you feel like, guys. See all these are on insert. And use these icons are on insert. You can also change the color of your icon. Insert. All these, whatever is on this drop down list, you can use all of them. All of these. All of these, you can use all. Whatever is here. You can use it, you can change the color the way you want. Black, no color. So a lot. We are still on insert. You can insert the icons that you wish. You can insert icons. Those are the icons. Anything that you feel like. On icons, you can insert them. Don't want to focus on icons? I will show you this on my advanced video. I want you to get the basic use, the most important features that can help you start using Word. You can also delete, just highlight, remove them, like I do. You can also you can add chart. On chart, we have different type of chart. We have area chart, we have bar chart, we have pie chart, we have line, we have column, we have radar, service, stock, map, X and Y scatter, histogram, box wide, panel, water, comb. Just like literally we have all type of chart that you want to use. Maybe you are working on your project. This is where you can get all the chart that you want to insert on your project. Just go to insert, click on chart. You will see all the chart drop down list showing you there. Select the one goes with your project or anything that you are doing. Maybe you're analyzing something. Just select and do what you feel like is going with your project. Very simple. Very easy. Let's say I want to put the chart. Yeah. Now I can even insert this chart and put the names. This is how it will appear. I can even change those names. Orange, say 30%. Mango, 25%. I can say, what else? Apple, at least 40%. Then we have, can have orange. Orange, we have it there, mango, lemon. Lemon, 50%. You can see this is how it will appear. Then you close it here. You can see it show you orange is blue, mango, apple, lemon. You can double click and select the one you feel like the design that fits you. You have many design. Just click there. Tell me I can say I'll go as per this. Me, I like this one. That showing showing the sale percentage inside. Then also you just have the name also other side. 14%, 12%, 8%, 56%. Orange, mango, apple, lemon. That is on insert. Still on insert, you can go to, you can insert page numbers as well. I think I have also, I have a video for that you can watch. Let's say you can also insert the footer, header and footer. Maybe bottom, where you want your footer to appear, header to appear. Maybe you want to appear here. I'll show you inserting head and footer on my advanced video. I don't want you guys to get lost. I just want someone who does not use Word at least to have an idea of what Word is and how to do basic thing about Word. Still on insert. Let's go back, first remain there. You can add text box. The way you want your text to appear. We have also word arts. Word art is just the same like the one I showed you before. Don't worry about this. I'm just taking you, I'm picking the basic one. And then the next video, as I promised, I'll show you everything advanced features for this. You have design. On design layout, I mean not layout, on design, you can select the design that you feel like your documents and select either this, the design that you feel like. You can check our balloon. There's some changes there when I select the design. This one, when I select basics, simples, yeah, it will change our document. If I select this one, basics, stylish, that's different. All are different. Not that much, but those are a different design, and those are themes that maybe you want to select any theme for your choice. You can select it. You can select here the theme. You can do watermark your documents. It is on your right. Click on watermark. Then you can click on customize your watermark. You can write anything that you feel like. This is my original work. You can put the watermark. You can select the say the document, or you want California word. Say this one. You want to appear horizontally, diagonal, or the way you want. Then you say apply. Then okay. You will see it will appear on all your pages there. This is my original work. There, it's appear. There's watermark. You can also put a page color. Select the color you feel like is best to you. Any color. Go to page color if you want to. You want to put the background color, you go to page color. Then select any color that you like. Then click. You can also put the borders for your page. Ready. Border. That is all about the design, guys. Design doesn't have much. It's just very simple. I did not talk about colors here. Just when I want to change colors, I'll just check here and change font color. This is whereby I want to change this maybe font. This is not much. You can get them on home. This is the same thing with this one. So don't worry about that. Actually, design does not have much. It just I pick the important thing that you need to know on design. Don't worry about what what I have not shown you. I'll do this later as well. Now let's go to our layout. On our layout, maybe let's say I want to set my document on a landscape. I go to orientation, sorry, then landscape. Click there. You can see my document change to landscape. I hope you are seeing the changes. Let's take our document back to portrait. Just go to orientation, click on portrait. The document will look like this. Now, let's go to margins. I want to change the margin. Initially, our document is on a normal margin, this one. Now, let's say I want my document to look like this. There are some changes that it's not that much, it's little. Let's say last customize setting, or let's go to normal. Normal. Okay, this is how normal look like. A narrow top. Yes, you will see my documents goes up. Okay, you can use moderate. You can use wide. Just note how the document look like. You can just mirror. This is when you want to use your document, like you set the way you want. You can just office any margin, but the normal margin you use is this normal margin. Click on that, and that's it. Let's go to size. You can. This is the size of the document that you can have size A. That is size size AB. This always size A4 size. All our documents are always on A4 size. Maybe when you want to print, mostly when you want to print a document, these settings are always there. You select on printing those documents. Is it on A4, which is mostly we do, and then these other settings that this is for other. You can just notice the changes by yourself. Just click on them. There is no problem. You by clicking and on this, you just learn something out of that. Consider different. It look like a small card. You want maybe something like this. Oh, that's beautiful. Maybe you want this. At 4. Let's go to columns. Now our document is on column 1. Maybe you want our document to be columns. This is how it will appear. This means documents have 2 columns. You can see these. Hey, what these are mostly when you want to design something, it will really come this way and show it's so nice. Let's say I'm designing this birthday cake, designing this page for someone or for my project. I want this to come on the 1 column. I'll just do exactly this way. I click on 2 columns. It will show this way. This I want this to come back there to look on the same page. You can see. So beautiful, guys. We have cake, we have all this. Okay, we have 3 columns, right? We have left, right, and more. Just depend on how you want your document to appear. Guys, let's stop from here. We will do next on advanced. At least I want you to have a basic knowledge on how to use what, so that when you watch my next video, you are going to polish on what you do not understand very well on the first video and become someone. You will have confidence when you go for work. You are given a computer, have this, do this, type this. It will be simple. Also, I have a video on how to type very fast. You can also go to my channel and watch on how to type very fast. Thank you for today. Always remember to subscribe, like, support my channel and my video so that I can bring you content daily, guys.